Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how you can get logged into your MLB application. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded this application and it is updated. Head over to your Play Store and then search for MLB. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. But if you see update, tap on update. And once you see open, launch your application. You will see a page like this. In here, you can either directly tap on login in your top left or select this 3-row icon if login option is not visible. Scroll below. Under your account, select account settings. In here, you will see login. If you already have an account, select login and go about entering your details like your username, email, or maybe your password as well. And likewise, if you don't have an account, select create MLB account and create yourself an account. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.